Hello and welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Valentine's Day, the celebration of love, is around the corner, and to make this day special for our loved ones, today we will see how to make virgin cosmopolitan mocktail, which is a popular drink both in cocktail and mocktail versions. So let's get started with it. To make this mocktail, you will need some cranberry juice, and I'm adding here 100 ml of cranberry juice. Next, take a mason jar and into it I will add some ice cubes. Then goes 100 ml of cranberry juice. Then you will need some orange juice, adding here 30 ml of orange juice. Next goes 30 ml of fresh lime juice. And to give some fizz and sweetness to my mocktail, I'll be adding now some Sprite. You can add sparkling water also, but I personally enjoy my mocktail with some Sprite, as this gives a well-balanced taste to the mocktail and the required fizz. Now give this a good mix, and our mocktail is now ready to be served chilled. Next, take a martini glass or any other mocktail glass of your choice. Now rub the rim of the glass with a lemon slice. Next, add some powdered sugar on a board. Place the glass upside down so that the rim of the glass is coated well with the sugar like this. Now very carefully pour the mocktail in the center of the glass. Garnish the mocktail with a lemon or orange peel twist or a lemon slice and enjoy with your loved ones. So friends, I hope you will try this refreshing cosmopolitan mocktail during this Valentine's Day and enjoy with your dear ones. Also share your feedbacks. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.